963 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 29 May 2021. According to media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services, Goa's recovery rate is 88.57%. In total, 136,766 people recovered in Goa. 1,206 people recovered in last 24 hours. 4,276 new samples tested today. In total, 8,16,691 samples are tested in Goa. Total cases in the state reported till now are 1,54,419. 27 new deaths reported today. In total, 2,597 deaths are reported in Goa till now. Active cases in the state now stands at 15,056. Mortality bulletin of Goa. Total COVID deaths reported today are 27. 17 deaths reported at GMC, 7 deaths reported at SGTH, and 3 deaths at South Goa Private Hospital, Victor, SMRC and Mother Care Hospital. 4 patients have received 1 dose of the vaccine. Bed capacity in COVID care centers are as follows. District North, total capacity 371, current vacancy 264. District South, total capacity 230, current vacancy 168. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.